Hello, and welcome back to Fox Bash. Today, we have an exciting topic for all you Java enthusiasts out there. We'll be discussing 5 easy solutions to common Java programming challenges, so stay tuned for valuable tips that can boost your coding skills. To start, let's dive into our first challenge. Have you ever faced the issue of null pointer exceptions in your Java code? It can be frustrating, right? Null pointer exceptions are one of the most common issues in Java. Here's a simple Java program that's causing a null pointer exception. The error message might not always be this clear, and that's what makes it challenging. But don't worry. Our first solution is defensive coding. By implementing simple checks, you can prevent these pesky exceptions and ensure smoother code execution. Here, we've added a null check before invoking the method. This simple practice can save you from headaches down the road. Now, let's move on to solution number 2, using optional. This is a more Java 8+ way of handling potential null values and is a technique that every modern Java developer should know. With optional, you can gracefully handle the possibility of null values without causing exceptions, making your code more robust. Solution number 3 is all about properly initializing objects, a fundamental concept that can save you countless hours of debugging. By initializing our user object before using it, we avoid any null-related issues and ensure a smoother user experience. Next up, solution number 4, using try-catch blocks. These are your safety nets when dealing with exceptional cases, and mastering them is key to becoming a proficient Java developer. By wrapping the risky code in a try-catch block, we can gracefully handle exceptions, preventing crashes and enhancing the reliability of our applications. And finally, our last solution, number 5, logging and debugging. Proper logging can help you trace the root cause of issues, a practice that every professional coder should embrace. By logging meaningful messages and using debugging tools, you can pinpoint where things go wrong, saving time and headaches in the long run. So there you have it, folks. 5 easy solutions to common Java programming challenges. Remember, programming challenges are part of the learning journey, and with these solutions, you'll be better equipped to tackle them, enhancing your coding skills and making you a sought-after developer in the job market. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Fox Bash for more coding tips and tutorials. Also, let us know in the comments which Java challenges you'd like us to cover next, and be sure to share this video with your fellow coders to help them level up their Java skills. Thank you for watching, and happy coding!